Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, I again came back in front of you to practice my speaking English. After a couple of days, I again came back to practice speaking in front of you. And right now, I am in the kitchen room because right now I have come here to cook, to make my dinner. Okay, um, in this flat there are 9 students living. Okay, so everyone come here to cook every day. So but you can see my our kitchen room is not very well decorated. Okay, so it's not problem for us because we are a student, we are bachelor. Everyone used to having this type of place. Okay, so last 2 days I was busy, that's why I didn't make any kind of videos for my speaking practice. Okay, so right now I am in the kitchen room. Right now I am cooking the rice and also potato. Okay, I am boiling the potato because I will make potato filling for dinner and also false head. And during noontime I cooked pumpkin frying because it also healthy food for our body. Okay, so in our all kind of students here, they try to have vegetable food because everyone very keen on their uh, health. So that's why everyone try to avoid huge amount of eating meat or chicken, any kind of things. Okay, they always try to avoid fast food. I also try it because it's very important for our body to make healthy. Okay, so it's very important. If you're practicing, without practicing, you will be reduce your fluency. Okay, so if I confidence to make videos because I feel very well to make videos in front of camera because it make me happy by making videos, because make video help me to improve my English speaking, and day by day I am leveling up. Okay, so you can practice every day wherever you go. Yesterday I visited Dhanmondi 2032 because there are located our former's father house. It's Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman old house situated there. So I visited there with my friends because before time I didn't go there. So that's why I watched the place. It's already destroyed by people. Okay, everyone very angry on former prime minister. That's why they destroyed this the house. Okay, I also practice speaking English by going there with my friends. He described about the house. I also described this. Okay, so it's very helpful for our to improve our speaking English. Okay, Dhanmondi area is also very beautiful. There are one lake. Every people come here to enjoy their time and they spend quality time there. So this area is very amazing to watch. Okay, so in today it's all for me. I make every video for my practicing speaking. If I make any mistake, don't mind for my mistaking. Okay, I will come again in front of you with another new topic, with another new session. Okay, so I want to tell you that learn English in great way. Okay, so I will come again in front of you. Till then, goodbye.